G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white you can see there's the light reflection of the lights. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. It's a nice piece. I'd like to, you'll see there's nothing here. Cut it through there somewhere and grind down. You might get a nice stone out of the edge there. It's got some nice reds in it, golds along the edge here. There it is, it's showing up there. Up here's matrix type material. Piece of choroid by the looks of the material here. And, just throw that piece in. Bit of potch. But people still like to cut it. Sometimes it's got patterns. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.